Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. I'm super excited to have you join me today for a really fun and simple DIY. Now, it being fall, Halloween, and almost Christmas, don't forget to look below. I do have all of my DIYs listed below for you if you guys are looking for some more fun ideas. Alright, so to get started, this is the simplest DIY that I have ever done. I am not even sure you can call it a DIY. That is how simple it is, but it makes for really pretty decor in your home. So today is a combination video between fall and Halloween. I thought I would just throw it all together into one video, and you can probably already tell what this is. So I got all of these items from the Dollar Tree except for the cards. However, we'll talk about that in a moment. So these picture frames are from the Dollar Tree. I am loving the faux wood frame that you can get from the Dollar Tree these days. I thought this was just perfect for fall. I mean, any decor really, but I specifically got this one for my fall decor. And then I also picked up two of their standard black with the silver lining on the inside for Halloween because, well, it's black, and I just thought that went really well for Halloween. All right, aside from those items, I'm trying to prevent glare, so I'm just going to move these away. These three cards that I picked up are from the dollar store, which is a Canadian dollar store. And that being said, we all know if you shop at Dollar Tree, you can get some amazing cards from the Dollar Tree. My dollar store is just located closer to me, so that is where I went. Alternatively, you can pay $0 and just print some images off at home using your computer. Starting with the first one, I just thought this card was really cute. I really looked for cards that were generic. They weren't too anybody specific, that I can use as decor in my home. I don't know if you can tell, but I just love the glitter with the skull. I'm not really caring about the inside. It's really the outside that mattered to me. And I thought that it would pair up really nicely with this trick or treat. Super fun. And for fall, I absolutely loved this one. Give thanks always. I love the wine colors, which go perfect with my home decor. It has a little bit of like a gold lining. So those are the three generic cards that I picked for this. So let's go ahead and get started. This is super fun, super easy for you to do, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I wanted to really quickly show you guys it is done, and look at how beautiful it is. I know it's not even at the top, and I could have gotten a little bit lower, but I really wanted this below accent here, so I decided to leave it. Also, the inside of the card was really pretty, and I was thinking that this can go in another type of photo frame. It's really pretty and generic. It just says there's so much to be grateful for. We ought to find a way to keep Thanksgiving in our hearts each and every day. Have a great Thanksgiving. And that would be really pretty at either like an entrance table or even in a kitchen. So I'm going to keep this piece. And then further to that, I'm really undecided, but I wanted to show you guys another way to decorate. These are both from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be really cute to maybe add on right here. I just don't know. So before I'm not going to do anything in this video, but that was another thing I was thinking about. So when this video posts, guys, go ahead, leave me a comment below. Yes or no, do you think, here, I'm just gonna cut this to show it better. Do you think I should go ahead and glue that on? Yes or no? Leave me a comment below.